Right, today I'm making my special mince pie pastry. This is the best pastry ever for mince pies. This recipe came over from Ireland with the potato famine, and it was my auntie's mother who had the recipe, so it's very, very old. But the oldest recipes are always the best because they stand the test of time. So, in the bowl I've got 2 pounds of self-raising flour. I've got 6 ounces of sugar. I've got 2 pounds of a pound of butter, sorry, and 8 ounces of lard. Now there's no water in this pastry, it's just mixed together with 2 eggs and 2 tablespoonfuls of rum. And once you've made it and baked it, it will keep for a month. So you can make these well ahead of Christmas. Oh, the only thing I need to add in there is a couple of pinches of salt. So the butter and the lard are at room temperature so that you can work with them. And what we do is we just mix all this together by rubbing it in. So it doesn't take too long, about 5 minutes. Just make sure you rub it in till there are no lumps left. So the fat's all rubbed in now, and I've beaten the eggs together with the rum. So we just mix it all together with a fork, and it will make one large sticky lump of pastry. So now the secret with this pastry is you've got to chill it overnight in the fridge. If you try to use it straight away, you'll struggle because it's very soft and sticky. It doesn't take much to get it together. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a large piece of cling film. Now this amount of pastry will make 80 mince pies. So if you don't want to make that many, you can cut it in half. Use a pound of flour, 8 ounces of butter, 4 ounces of lard, 3 ounces of sugar and 1 egg. That will make about 40. But these mince pies are very, very popular, so I have to make a lot. Lots of people will be waiting to eat these once they're done. So that's the pastry. The next thing, just wrap it in the cling film and pop it in the fridge. Then tomorrow we can make the mince pies.